Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making crisp um, potato. So as you guys can see, I have chicken bouillon and cornstarch and salt. I'm using crushed salt. It doesn't matter, I think, and some baking powder. Now the recipe will be down below. Just saying if you want to use it. But if you don't use it, just mix everything together until it's sweet enough for you and you'll be fine. So yeah. Next, you need some potato. I didn't measure how much potato you're gonna need because yeah. But the recipe will be down below. As I said, I'm using 2 potatoes. You can use as much as you want, as little as you want. At first, when I was trying this recipe, I used only 1, and I realized I love it. So I'm using 2 today, so I can miss out on of the goodness. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this, then cut it in half. Then yeah, this one turned out to be yellow. I did not know there was yellow potato. I used white potato when I was making this. But potato is a potato. Maybe this one be yellow or white. I am so excited since I know like potatoes come in different colors and sizes. I did not know that, so this is like wow. So yeah. So then this is what I mean. I meant that cut it in half. So I've cut this one in the potato you saw. I cut it in half. Then I cut the other half into half, which means you get this type. Then grab a knife. Then you cut this into however you want to cut it. I prefer this way because you can cut 2 things at the same time, so which means you won't be doing that much work actually. So yeah. Okay, so then this one is white. Like wow. So you mean the lighter ones are yellow and the darker ones are white? Wow. Wow. Okay, that's smart. Now you're gonna do the same thing you did to the other potato. You're gonna do it to this potato. I advise you to cut the peelings because that's what I did. And I don't like the peelings. It gets, ugh. I think it's kind of gross. The same. Make mashed potato like that, your family's definitely gonna hate you. Trust me. Next, you're gonna wash it so that you can get enough water and so that the stuff can stick on the potato. And because it won't be that clean if you don't wash it. So yeah, you can wash it 1 time. That'll be enough, or however much you want. I don't care. I'm washing it once because it doesn't really matter except if I wash it. So yeah. After you wash your potato, make your cornstarch. The cornstarch should be plenty. And I think I should be putting the recipe down below. If this actually works for me, I'll put it down below. And yeah. So nearly all you like what you're doing is this. Then you rub off the extra starch. You see that? As easy as pie. So you're going to light season, but dark. Maybe this is enough? Yeah. So you don't want it too much because that's what gives it that crisp when you eat it. And I don't know how to say it. Yeah. So then After you do this, you put it in like a bowl. Then you get your oven set to 350 and allow it to preheat. Now you're gonna do the same to all of your potatoes. So, the more cornstarch, the less cornstarch you get on it, the more crisp it'll be. So yeah, get as less as you can. So yeah, after those, I'll show you the next step after I finish. Next, you're gonna put in some oil. I have a little bit, but I'm not sure that will. Then you mix it up. This is the white potato. I'm kind of like doing like a, yeah. So yeah, it can taste good. After you did this, then put up for the next step. Okay, it's already. Let me taste. Okay. Get a baking tray and let's get started. First step, put a foil underneath your baking tray. I don't know how to pronounce it. Tell me if I pronounce it properly. Next, you're gonna do this. You don't want it to, yeah. So it'll cook under, and after you do this, which I'm still doing. Am I sure I don't have the whites? No, this do not count. This the white, and doing the white potatoes first, then the yellow. Ooh, that makes for a nice song, don't you think? After you did this, and that, it tastes good. After you do this, you're gonna put some oil at the bottom. Now, actually bake for a few minutes. Then you're gonna put some oil at the bottom. Then you take a pastry brush. And you take a pastry brush and just put it on it. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in my oven, and yeah, through the bacon, you can take this brush and put some oil on it. Then you take the brush like this, then put it over it. Make sure you get all over the potato. So yeah, the oil's already at the bottom. Then you're gonna do that. Then you do the sidelines. Then you do that. You do this to all of your potato. Ooh, this is kind of fun. Yeah, so you do this to all of your potato. It's just kind of fun. Do this to all potato. Oh. Then you allow it to bake some more. There we go. Or take a fork, and then you do that. You open it. This way, it'll determine if your potato is cooked. And natural potato, if it's not cooked, you won't be able to do this to it. So I give it about 13, 32, or 25 minutes if you're making more. You off it. You off your oven. Then you put this in your plate. Then it's time to eat. Now it's time to taste. This is the yellow one, and this is the white one. This is the white one first. That's the yellow one. It's still cooling. All this needs is a little bit of a sprinkle. Is a sprinkle of salt. That's all. And this one is delicious. So both of them are unique in their own way. You eat this with ketchup and salt. It'll be delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more delicious recipes like this one. Bye!